Hi, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a string input from the user and how to get a numerical input from the user. First of all then, we've got to decide on a variable name for our where we want to store our string. So I'm just going to call it my string. Okay, and then I set that equal to raw input is the command we want to use. Then I've got to ask a question to the user, what I want them to input. So I'm going to ask, what is your name? I then want to print out my results, so I want to print out what my string is to make sure that the program has captured the user's input correctly. And if you watch my other video tutorials, I've shown you how to use the print statement before. So if we run this code then, we get our question here, what is your name? And then I'm going to input my name, Computing Tutor. And it prints out Computing Tutor as we would expect. Now I'm going to show you how to input a numerical value. So if we want to input an integer, I'm just going to call this my int. What we use is raw input, and then we wrap this in a integer like that, and this converts the string input here into an integer. So raw input will return a string, and then this will convert it into a integer. The question I'm going to ask is, what is your age? I'm going to print out my int here, make sure our programs work properly. Then I'm going to run my code. So running my code gives me what is your age. I'm going to input my age, which is 17. And then it gives me 17 as my output. If we wanted to input a decimal value, I could do that by using a float. So I changed this to a float, so this returns a string here as before, and then this converts it to a float. So my float here. Okay, so if I run this code again then, I can input what is your age, and I can say 17.9, and then this will return a decimal value. And if we really want to make sure that that's worked, we can do some maths on the ages here. So I can call this my age. Call this another age. Going to ask, what is your friend's age? And then we're going to add the two together. So I'm going to say total equals my age plus another age. And I'm going to print out total here. And I'm going to make sure I input decimal values into here and make sure the addition has worked. So what is your age? 17.9. What is your friend's age? 18.1. And it gives me a total of 36.0. Which is what we would expect from that addition. Okay, that's how you capture a numerical input from the user and how you capture a string input from the user. Thanks for watching.